Today we're going to go through the process of headlight restoration using toothpaste. Here's the before and after. Tools needed: baking soda, toothpaste, sponge, toothbrush, and bucket with warm water. So here I have my toothpaste, toothbrush, and baking soda. I have my sponge with warm water at the bottom. And so you're just going to want to fill the toothbrush with toothpaste. You're going to want to dab it a little bit on the baking soda. Now you're going to probably have to apply the toothpaste and baking soda several times. I'm guessing like 3 or 4 times to get the full headlight. You can also add baking soda once you're done and just apply it and just keep spreading it to get all that chemicals and fog and all the stuff on the headlights. Here I am reapplying it. Now I'm just using a sponge to clean it and remove all the toothpaste. Now you can keep on reapplying it and doing the same process over and over again to your satisfaction. If you want it more clear, or you just want it more clean, and so you just keep on reapplying and it'll get shinier and all the chemicals, everything from driving, everything will be gone. So it's pretty much to your preference how much you want, how many times you want to do it. I did do it twice in this headlight, so it needed to be cleaned better than the other headlight. This is the end result. And so I did 2 coats of toothpaste and baking soda, and now I'm just cleaning it. Of course, I did the sponge too, warm water. And this is how the 2 headlights look. And this is a 2009 Toyota Corolla. And so this is the final result. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.